Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to edit a post on Reddit. So first of all, go back to your screen, go ahead to your apps or Google Play and double check if the Reddit app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and get right on it. Alright, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open up the Reddit. So in order to edit a post, we need to create one. So I'm going to just click right here, the create button at the below middle right here. And let's say, for example, I'm going to just, type something like this. And I'm going to just, type like this one. Okay, and basically if you want to add a poll, text kind of a post, this is like a demonstration. Hit next at the top right and basically post it to your community, right? So basically for myself, I don't have an actual like a community, but after you select the community, you're gonna hit post and basically you'll be able to post it, right? So I'm gonna just show you like a quick one. I'm gonna click on my profile at the top right, and from here I'm gonna just go ahead to my profile. And in your profile, you're gonna see right here the post that you made right here. Click the three dots next to your username. It's gonna open up like a new window, and go ahead and click edit post, and you'll be able to edit the text within the within your post, and just hit done right here, and you'll be able to see your newest post right here. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.